Alright guys, so kind of an impromptu video that I'm doing for you guys right here. I'm actually filming on my phone as I don't have my camera equipment on me, but I just got off work. This may be the final drive in the Civic Type R, and you know what, sorry, this is really impromptu, so if I misspeak on anything, please excuse me. Just thinking about this, there's a lot going through my head right now. The car market is really good as far as selling. You know, if you have a car for sale right now, if you want to trade it in, you know, go ahead and take advantage of it, take the money. But, you know, the story on the Type R is, you know, during the winter time, I got an awesome deal on the Civic Type R. And, you know, I went ahead and jumped on it, and there's another car that I'm looking at. You know, I'm on the fence. You know, if the deal doesn't go through, if the terms aren't correct as the way I want it to be, then I'm just going to simply walk. I really love the Type R, without a doubt. I really do. This is an awesome car. There's a cop from. When this Civic Type R came out, you know, I was one of those doubters about this car. You know, oh, it's front wheel drive. You know, it can't handle that well, whatever. You know, all the things that you guys give me crap about. Oh, it looks funny. You know, it's overstyled. Yes, you know, I will admit the demographic for the style of the Civic Type R, you know, is a little bit, I don't know, it's not my style. I'm a little bit of an older gentleman. But you know what? It's grown on me a lot. I like the front, the back I still have questions on, but you know, styling is just styling. But what really sold me on the Civic Type R was when I first took it on track. I don't know if you guys have seen that video. I'll link it up here somewhere. But what really prompted me to take a look at the other cars is the trade-in value on the Civic Type R is absolutely amazing. So right now, the dealer is offering me a lot of money. Well, I shouldn't say a lot of money, but more money than what this car costs brand new MSRP. So, you know, the MSRP for a 2018 Civic Type R was like, I think $34,000 or so. $34,995, I think. But, you know, if a dealership is willing to give you, you know, 40 grand for your used Civic Type R, you know, and to upgrade into something, I don't know if you guys consider it an upgrade. I don't want to say what I'm getting at because it's not final yet. You know, to change into something that's, you know, a little bit more your style with almost no money out of your pocket using the equity as a down payment, then why not go for it? But like I said, if the terms aren't, you know, on my terms, then I'll simply just walk away. I am perfectly fine with keeping the Civic Type R. I actually really love this car. You know, I know as much crap as you guys give me for having a Type R, this car, it really is good, especially on track. And the room, the cargo capacity, the gas mileage is fantastic. This is a perfect, you know, if you can only have one car, this car is actually pretty good. You put the seats down, you can put a whole bunch of stuff in the back. But, you know, I just want to give you guys an update on what's going on with Civic Type R. You know, it's just, you know, take advantage of the used car market and what these dealers are offering me for the Civic Type R. It's like, wow, there was, you know, I tried looking at, you know, selling the STI. That's not going to happen. I have so much money into the STI that it's just not worth trading. But even though the Civic is older than my 19 STI, this is an 18, my STI is a 19. The trade-in value for the Civic Type R is a lot more than the STI. But, you know, I'm just driving in a slow lane, just thinking about it. You know, I have my thoughts. And, you know, I'm willing to pull out, you know, if the deal just isn't there. Fuel's low. All right, just did all the paperwork and all that stuff. The Honda is officially sold. They're going to come pick it up tomorrow. So, yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on what's to come. And here we go. Civic Type R is now pretty much put back to stock. And I didn't film any of it. I'm already having my regrets because I know for a fact that I am going to miss this car deeply. But what's in store as far as next for me, you know, I don't want to say anything just yet because the deal hasn't gone through yet. And I don't want to give you guys an empty promise telling you I'm getting this car and then the deal not going through and then not getting it. That would be really embarrassing. Also, I'm probably thinking about putting the Miata up for sale. I just don't drive it that much for the past, what, 2 or 3 years I've owned it. I've only put like 5,000 miles on it. So, you know what, that car deserves to be driven. It runs like a champ. You know, just a couple cosmetic things that it needs. I just had to do it, you know. It's not because the Civic Type R is bad. Nothing wrong with it. But why not just take the money, make a small profit? I didn't lose any money on this, by the way, because the dealer bought it from me for more than I paid for it. So, yeah, why not? So, I don't know. I'm really tired. So if I'm rambling, I really do apologize. All right, this is it. Last day with the Type R. Just got to do one last check to make sure I didn't forget anything in the car. Car is really, really clean right now. I don't know if I wasted my time cleaning it up, but I figured, you know what, it's the right thing to do for the new owner. But there you go. Let's see here. Pop the trunk. There's a front license plate, and I figured, you know, they can put it on if they want to. Still nice and clean. And nice and clean. Keys are in there. Yeah. Exterior is clean, but as you can see, it's raining outside, so I don't know if that even matters. And there you go. Civic Type R is officially gone and sold. Man, I'm gonna miss it.